Hello everyone, I'm going to show you how to change style of the components in MATLAB App Designer. If I go to the design view, a lot of things are available on the left side, a lot of components. Whatever the components we need, we'll just drag and drop on here. You can place the component anywhere on the screen, and then we can also check the properties over here. For example, I can also change the background over here. This is the main figure, app.ui figure, and then inside the configuration we have the color. So we can change the color as well. So if I, for example, this one, whatever the color we want, we can actually do that one as well. So that's the thing. I can also customize all other things. For example, if I want to actually change the background of these buttons, I can do this. For example, this is font color and this is the background color. So if I select this one, right, also I can convert. I can change the background of the convert to another color, right? Same thing can be done for other buttons as well. For example, I am giving this one, okay, and also the title. So background color, I can set this background color, for example, this one. Or I can just none, but the font color I can change into different color. This one, okay, this one looks better. So the designer will look like this, and select, okay, and input, convert output, reset, everything is gone. Thanks for watching. See you in the next part.